Things are about to get good.
The following contest is scheduled for one fall. Making his way to the ring, representing Harlem Heat from Area 51, weighing in at 260 pounds, the Captain.
The WWE Universe already reaching a fever pitch upon their arrival, and we are just seconds away from a highly anticipated match.
그러다 자연스레 스며들어가고 너와 나는 서로의 일상이 되었지. 내가 내딛는 걸음에 관심을 가져주었던 내 앞에 있는 날들에 바라봐준 네가 있기에 그저 이 자리에 머무르던 나에게 새로운 길이 보이게 됐어. 언제나 함께했던 나의 지난 빌어주고 싶어. 당신의 행복이 되고 싶은 나의 꿈길 속을 걸으며 오랫동안 원한 우산 지울 수 있게. 어제 햇살 같은 온도구스만
All right, I love this guy.
We stay up all night, think you're broke inside. 지금 이
And his opponent from out of this world, weighing in at 228 pounds,
Hey, where's the horse? What are you talking about? Yeah, what horse? The high horse this superstar always seems to be on. Did Jerry Lawler write that line for you?
지금은 무엇도 보이지 않나. 쏟아지는 빛이 미친 찰나에서 안에려 있어 차올라. I'm gonna make it so right. 손을 뻗어봐봐. Gonna make it so right. 날개를 펼쳐 날.
A man who elevates his game every week. He is competing at his highest level yet.
Across the vast universe, waiting for the moment. 둘만의 공간을 넘어야. Gonna make it so right. Gonna make it so right. 그대로 아름답게. Let's dance one time. Go there on your mind. 지금 이 순간 눈물에 아무것도 모르. 따라가 이 춤. Deep inside of you. 이제 더 이상 바보지 않아. No, I know.
Not too familiar with this one. What can you tell me about this guy, Corey?
From what I've seen so far, he's been pretty unremarkable, Cole. I'm not even sure how he ended up in WWE, to be honest with you.
Well, let's hope he uses this match to prove why he deserves to be here.
He's taking on a guy that's looking to put him in his place here tonight. This guy's been saying all week how he's going to prove a point in this match tonight.
Bam! Uh-oh. He connects with a counter. Oh, gouging the face. That's unnecessary. Come on. Ripping and tearing at the face.
Look, the most intelligent competitor in a battle knows that there are many roads to victory, including the low road.
Tattooed with a double axe handle. Taking things to the outside, but got to make sure to heed the official's count. Planted face first. That just knocked him a bit off balance.
There's still nothing he can't come back from. Taking flight. Reckless abandon. My God, that was nuts. Absolutely insane.
And he slides him back to the mat. Oh! One. Ow! Foot, meat back. Taking off from the ropes. And right into the pin.
Uh-oh. Gonna take a lot more than that to keep this man down. Looks like he knew what was coming up.
Suplex attempt. Able to go behind, though. Into a chop block. Ooh, great anticipation. Sleeper slam. Oh. Stomp to the lower back. And the arms are trapped
in the ropes. That's going to end the submission. Snapmare takedown. Oh, my. Hip attack. Make it twice. A third time. Can we see it? Oh, yeah. I like it.
It's not even Saturday night. I'm sure you do. He wants to end this for the win. No, stops the count at 2.
This is no time to hesitate. You can feel the end coming. Ooh.
Clothesline with the left arm. Nailed it. Making the climb to the top rope. Sky high. Spiral tap.
He's completely helpless now.
Cover. What a kick out at 2.
Can you imagine how much escaping that pin must have cost him?
I can. These are the moments where you really find out how tough you are. I've lost count of how many times this match had ended by now. What a crossbody. He's just stacking up these attacks. It's clear he's locked in right now. Oh, using the rope to their advantage.
Attacking the arm.
Being placed in the corner here.
Oh, man. Nasty kick.
Brutal knee right to the face. Oh, what a clubbing blow.
Oh, man.
He's zoning in. Has something big in store. Getting carried to a vulnerable position here.
Piercing the throat.
Ooh, he's starting to look battered.
Yeah, but this kind of damage is to be expected this deep in a match. Oh, man, that was nasty.
They weren't that good looking anyway. Ooh, headbutt. Ooh. Drop kicked all the way to the floor. He's heading to the outside. Better watch for the referee's count. And his constant attack has him floundering.
He just doesn't seem to have any response right now.
Wow. Oh, my gosh, what impact. Up across the shoulders. Round and round and round we go. UFO. Slowly moving. I'm sure he can feel the target on his back here. Saw it coming and took him down.
He finally creates some more offense for himself.
He endured the charge and now looks to lead his own reign. This has been an absolutely brutal display of will from these men. You can see their flames starting to flicker, and it's only a matter of time before one goes out. Are we heading towards a countout?
I hope not. He'll take things into the ring.
Snelly. And now looking even worse for wear. Yeah, he's just running on fumes now. He's headed up high.
Watching.
Diving brain chop.
Taking it back to the top.
Blast off.
Piercing elbow.
Taking a chance one more time and landing with incredible impact. It could be all over. Fights out at 2.
He just won't give up. Got him where he wants.
A neck breaker.
Oh, man.
Boom.
From the apron.
Flying shot, DDT.
He's eyeing the 3 count here.
Yeah, no, he doesn't get the 3.
This is going to come down to who wants it more.
Oh, it's not going to be pretty. Go to sleep, GTS. Night-night.
Right on target.
2. Somehow he kicked out.
Somehow, someway, escapes defeat.
Still alive. Though you got to believe he'll be looking for the kill shot one more time.
He is getting rid of the turnbuckle pad.
Don't say that too loud, Saxon. You might get caught.
Springboard, back it up.
Getting back to his feet, but might want to reconsider.
What did I just see?
The mist. The poison mist.
He's really mounting pressure at will now.
All precision and strength with these attacks.
Take off.
Diving senton. Making the most of that with the pin.
2. And the victory.
Gonna make it alright. 손을 뻗어봐봐.
Here is your winner.
Gonna make it alright.
What an incredible match. One we won't soon forget.
These superstars took each other to the absolute limit.
Well past the limit, I'd say.